Hello friends, we have today curated this video on an Indian business legend who is now somewhere in the heavens above us but is a very popular and will remain to be popular Indian businessman in the world for many more years to come. Yes, today we will rendezvous you with Dhirubhai Ambani, who was an Indian business tycoon and who founded Reliance Industries. We will learn today 6 of the most prominent business strategies that helped him establish the Reliance empire. He was born on December 28, 1932 in Gujarat, then in British India, and died on July 6, 2002 in Mumbai, India. At the age of 17, he migrated to the British colony of Aden to join his brother. He started his career as a clerk at A. Bliss & Co. and in the 1950s was the largest transcontinental trading firm east of Suez. There he learned trading, accounting and other business skills. In 1958, Ambani returned to India and settled in Bombay. Ambani began a business trading in spices in late 1950s, calling his nascent venture Reliance Commercial Corporation. He soon expanded it to other commodities, following a strategy of offering higher quality products and accepting smaller profits than his competitors, and his business grew quickly. Ambani was credited with introducing the stock market to the average investor in India, and thousands attended the Reliance annual general meetings, which were sometimes held in sports stadium, with many more watching on television. Ambani handed over the day-to-day running of the company to his sons Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani in the mid-1980s, but continued to oversee the company until shortly after his death in 2002. In 2016, he was honored with the Padma Vibhushan, India's second largest civilian honor, for his contributions to trade and industry. An Indian film said to be loosely inspired by the life of Dhirubhai Ambani named Guru was released on 12 January 2007, showing the struggle of a man striving to make his mark in the Indian business world. He was that popular a figure, Reliance Industries were worth $2.9 billion in 2002 upon his death. Now let us take a look at some of the business strategies adopted by this famous business guru. Strategy number 1. The zeal to do something big in business. He was once working in petrol pump as a manager at Aden and used to often tell people that one day he will start a business and his business will even beat companies like Shell. His passion to do business made him come to India in 1954 from Aden's. With just 500 rupees, he came to Mumbai from his village in Gujarat to start a business. What an urge to succeed in business, and as saying goes, fortune favors the brave. His fortunes turned and he, with his dedication and determination, was able to set up the Reliance Corporation. Strategy number 2. To know your business and know your customer. He knew that in India, polyester yarn, and in countries abroad, the demand for spices was tremendous. Seeing this opportunity, he started the Reliance Commerce Corporation in 1960 with 15,000 shares and 3 employees. Following this strategy gave him a foundation to start a business in the business capital of India, Mumbai. Strategy number 3. Change business tactics as per market trends. Due to currency fluctuations, the polyester business he started suffered a bit of setback. So he decided not to import and instead set up Reliance Textiles in 1967. And started textile manufacturing in India. Eventually, the company started exporting also. What a move it was in times of crisis, and it paid off. Be approachable to the team. Dhirubhai always had immense faith in his team and people he worked with. He invited them to speak and share their ideas openly. Giving full freedom and space to a professional who is working with, you can build a chain of trust where they would never like to let you down. This proved to be an added advantage to his business. Strategy number 5. Convince and take care of investors. In 1977, when Dhirubhai went to the banks for loans to expand his business, he was refused loans. He then went on a campaign to smaller towns of India and narrated the story of his business to small investors. When the Reliance stock was listed in the same year in the stock market, a record 58,000 retail investors bought the stocks, which were a record in itself. Wow, what a way to raise money and grow business. Strategy number 6. Low value and high volume. Dhirubhai was known to sell things at much cheaper rates, delivering better quality than its competitors. His son Mukesh also adopted the same strategy. And when Jio was launched, voice and data services were offered at much lower rates than its competitors, Airtel, Idea, and Vodafone. Jio came with a bang in India and captured the market very convincingly. So folks, I hope you have enjoyed our video based on the life and times of the famous Indian business magnate Dhirubhai Ambani. What an inspirational figure he is. We will be back with more. Till then, goodbye and good luck.